Today I am here to show you how to unbox and connect the all new WF-1000X Mark IV from Sony. The very important point on the packaging itself that it has the 90% of eco-friendly packing this time. That's why it's very compact and just need to open it. So let's open this one, and this is the small instructions about the WF-1000X Mark IV with how many hours of battery life, high-res audio compatibility, and of course the one of the industry's leading noise cancellation headphone. And that's how the boxes looks like. I can't wait myself to open it. It's from 1000X series. Wow, black edition. So let's quickly remove it from the packaging. It's very small and tiny case. It has the USB Type-C cable for the fast charging, and yeah, compared to WF-1000X Mark III, the design is completely changed. It's 40% lesser in weight. And here we go. That's the earbuds, very small and tiny. This is the right side, and that's your left side. So looks beautiful. And now allow me to connect this one with Bluetooth. All you have to put it over here, go to the Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, remove both the earbuds. This headphone is compatible with the Bluetooth and Headphone Connect app. Done. Now it's connected. Headphone Connect app from Sony. So all you have to install it to have a better control. Now it's installing. Here we go. Done. Now we will select United Arab Emirates. I read all the terms and conditions. Start. Again, some privacy, agree and proceed. Headphone Connect app will give you the more control on the headphones, actually, how to use the functionality which you cannot do it from the headphone itself, the buds itself, that you can do it in the Headphone Connect app. Go to dashboard. Here we go. So it has the three parameters: status, sound and system. In the status you have adaptive sound control and the current song which you are playing. Adaptive sound control basically will act based on the human activity, whether you are sitting, walking or traveling, and it will change the modes of sound based on that, like voice, like ambient sound normal, ambient sound voice, or the noise cancellation on and off. Then in sound you have all the sound control. Speak to chat, you can speak with someone else without taking off your headphones, and some equalizer, 360 reality audio compatibility, and DSCC Extreme digital sound enhancement engine to enhance low compression music up to high res. And the last one is the system. So here you have the control on the ambient sound control, playback, left and right control that you can change. If you want to switch the left control to right, you can switch it. It's like a fully customized. So the control which you have on the left earbud, you can switch to right earbud based on your left-handed or right-handed, like that. And then you have ambient sound control operations, determines optical ear tips. It has the ability to determine which ear tips that you want to connect, small, medium or large, so you will have the best fitting in your ear. And other features like headphone will goes off if you leave it for 15 minutes, and till 15 minutes it will get it off to save your battery performance, like that. So that's it. It's connected and it's showing like left and right earbuds both have a 68% of battery. So once you will full charge, it will be showing at 100%. And case itself will gonna charge the earbuds. If I'll put it in the case,
How long does the battery last for single charge?
Very good question. It will take like 2 and 2.5 hours to be a maximum 100% charging. And once you will charge to the max, 36 hours without noise cancelling, 24 hours with noise cancelling. In case itself will charge thrice. So that's the beauty of this actually, with IPX4 rating. That's your USB Type C. That's your case. That's your earbuds.